Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding and continuation of the previous video. In the previous video we have done the same work with some other different algorithm, that is logistic regression, which is also an machine learning algorithm. In this work we are going to make us a continuity in another machine learning algorithms, that is decision tree. Mostly we will make some more videos with the XAI with the same data set only. So if you are interested in knowing to make with the different data set means, please let us know in the comment box so that we can make a video regarding that. So the data set which we have used is the intrusion detection data set only. Already in the previous code you would have checked, and also we also mentioned that we are working with only numerical values other than categorical values. So we have just used only some of the numerical values which are in use, and for the y variable we are going to use the label as label, which is also a numerical value. Then we are getting the info of the data set. From the info we are getting which is numerical, which is float and all. So based on that, we are just making an conclusion, and then we are checking whether any data set is null. You can see no data set is null. So now we are going to split our data set for x variable and y variable. In the x variable, we are choosing some of the numeric values, and the y variable, we are choosing the numeric value date label. And then we are splitting for training and testing data set. For training and testing, we have choose 80-20%, that is 20% for training and remaining 20% for testing. So here we have given the test size as 0.2. If you want to choose some other size means, you can just change the number over here. And if you are choosing train size means, in that case for 80-20 rule you have to give zero point 0.8. Since you are choosing 80% for training, here we have specified the test size, so we have given 0.2. Now the decision tree classifier only we are going to choose, and also after working with the decision tree classifier and also its prediction results, we are then making to display it in an XAI with by using the line library. So initially we are making the decision tree classifier and then training it using the fit function, and by use of the variables like x train and the y train. Then we are using the we are predicting it by using the x test, and then by using this variables we are finding the confusion matrix parameters. You can see this is the confusion matrix parameter for the intrusion detection data set, and um, this is the value of the precision recall F1 score and support, and you can see this is the classification report variables. Apart from that, we can get accuracy, macro average, and weighted average for precision recall and F1 score. If you are previously seeing the previous video for logistic regression means, I will just make because it is an continuation of the previous video only. So this is the output for logistic regression. You can see for logistic regression we got only 72% accuracy, but for decision tree you can see we got nearly 92% accuracy. So when compared to logistic regression, we can make with this particular data set, because based on some data set, this machine learning algorithms may show some different results. In this particular data set, that is intrusion detection data set, which is downloaded from Kaggle, the decision tree algorithm is showing better accuracy and better results when compared to this logistic regression machine learning algorithm. So we are getting nearly 92% accuracy. So yeah, it is for a good system only. Then after that, we are predicting, we are to display the XAI values for our data set as XAI prediction for our data sets. Here you can see this is the XAI graph we have made for our data, that is the DT file. So here you can see it. Here you can just change the values also. So this change will not affect our program that much, but if you are changing the features from 10 to 7 means that will definitely affect, in which case means here you can see now with the feature will have nearly 10. Now we have reduced, so after this if we are running means, here it will show only 5 instances. Here you can see the difference. So this is the plot to make the XAI with an specified machine learning algorithm. So in the next video, we can just work with some other machine learning algorithm with the same data set. Thank you.